Okay. Cakap Assalamualaikum.
Ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, teacher.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Astaghfirullahalazim, astaghfirullahalazim, astaghfirullahalazim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad. Allahumma salli ala
Muhammad wa ala
ali
ali Muhammad.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad. Ya Allah, Ya Alim, Ya Hakim, Ya Rashid, sesungguhnya Kau Maha berilmu, Maha bijaksana serta Maha cerdas. Kurniakanlah bagi kami ilmu serta kebijaksanaan-Mu agar kami mampu menjadi khalifah-Mu di dunia ini. Amin.
Okey, semoga tercapailah doa awak ni. Okey, baik. Sebelum kita mula, hadis untuk minggu ini.
Mimpi.
Siapa? Apa dia, Maisarah? Cakaplah. Hadis untuk minggu ini, Ain?
Hadis minggu ni pasal dreams.
Dreams, okey. Kenapa dengan dreams? Apa yang awak faham mengenai mimpi, dreams?
Mimpi buruk.
Mimpi buruk, okey.
Nightmare, mimpi ngeri.
Dengan mimpi yang baik.
Okey, mimpi yang buruk dan mimpi yang baik. Okay, good dream and also bad dream. So, okay. Lagi? Any explanation?
Good dream datang daripada Allah.
Oh, good dream datang daripada Allah. Bad dream?
Syaitan.
Oh, okay, daripada syaitan. Okay, so what should we do if you got bad dream? Biar je lah. Untuk Hafiz? What should we do, Hafiz?
Selawat.
Macam mana? Masalah?
Selawat.
Oh, berselawat. Oh, okay. Alright, you lah yourself. Biasa parents akan bagi tahu kan. So before you tidur malam, what should you do untuk elakkan mimpi-mimpi ni? This bad dream, what you do? Basuh kaki. Okay. Alright. Then baca doa tidur. Correct. Lagi tu je. You buat. You lah yourself. You buat macam mana?
Kursi.
You baca ayat kursi. Ni betul-betul you buat lah. Okay. So adalah. So the another things inside the hadith is you must seek for Allah protection, right? So macam mana nak seek for protection? By by doa lah. Alright. Before sleep baca doa tidur. Wuduk. Okay. Berwuduk is much more good for you lah sebenarnya. Okay. Wuduk, baca doa tidur, ayat kursi and also 3 kul. Betul? Alright, is kalau you buat insya-Allah mungkin mimpi yang baik-baik Allah bagi awak mimpi yang lebih baik-baik apa yang awak nak. Alright, so that one is a hadith for this week. So good, still remember. Of course remember because every class kena ulang kan. Okay, so kena banyak sikit bercakap. Okay, baik. So today, so what we gonna learn? Before we proceed to this lesson, okay, to today's lesson, let's recap some about the past lesson, okay, the last week punya lesson. Who still remember what we learned last lesson, last week punya lesson? Anybody? Yes. Kalau cakaplah dengan teacher, kan nak cakap dengan teacher je. You all microphone okay, right?
The Big Bang.
About Big Bang, okay. Okay, then other than Big Bang? Yang paling baru last week. Big Bang is the first week kan?
About stars.
About stars. Okay, so Fadil, do you know? You know that? Rasa Fadil masuk ke kelas teacher? Saya tak ingat lah sebab Fadil selalu masuk awal-awal. Lepas tu hilang. Okay, so last week we discussed about stars, okay, and Before the stars, we already discussed about Big Bang. So Big Bang we already know. So stars, who can explain how the stars can form? Macam mana star boleh terhasil? Yes.
Kita ada 3 star.
Kita ada 3 star.
Kita ada banyak star tapi
Oh.
yang saya yang dimention ada 3.
Alright. Okay.
Pertama Super Giant.
Super Giant. Okay.
Yang tu tak panas.
Okay.
Red Giant.
Red Giant. Okay.
Yang tu tak panas. The Blue Giant, tu panas.
Oh, okay. Good.
Lepas tu White Dwarf.
White Dwarf. Right.
Lepas tu
Tadi ada 3, saya boleh ada 4 ni.
tak, dia ada 2 dwarf tu lagi. Lepas tu ada Sun.
Alright, okay. Good. Alright. So before we go to that one lah, that types kan. Macam mana terjadinya stars?
Ada. Dia macam berlaga-laga.
Apa yang
Hydrogen.
berlaga? Oh, hydrogen. Where is the hydrogen? Kat mana hydrogen
Kat dalam
berada?
bintang tu.
The hydrogen inside the
Hydrogen tu
core.
berlaga. Lepas tu dia bercahaya.
Sebelum dia jadi, bukan dia jadi bintang. It shine, right? Dia akan bersinar kan?
Shiny.
So it will form apa dahulu sebelum it will shine?
Duling je.
Hydrogen crash, sorry?
Large ball.
Large ball? Betul ke Mas Sarah? Teacher dengar tu? Large ball, betul tak? Oh, okay. Stars, the meaning of star is a large ball. Yeah, it's correct.
Large ball, hot,
Hot, large ball, hot, shiny. Okay.
dah ni.
Okay. So what is the process? Kan tadi Hafiz dah bagi tahu, it crash each other. Hydrogen crash each other and it will form another atom which is called as
Oxygen.
oxygen.
Light.
Light.
Gravity.
Gravity tu dia tarik. That's why dia jadi. Hydrogen dia crash each other. Then it will form what? And it will shine. Baru dia boleh akan bersinar. Kalau dia tak form another atom tu, dia tak akan jadi. Dia tak akan shine. Heat. Sikit lagi.
Cloud.
Start with H juga.
Apa dia ya? What is star? A star is very large ball of bright glowing hot matter in space. That matter is called plasma. Star are held together by gravity. They give out heat and light because they are very hot. Nuclear fusion.
Okay, so the process we call as a nuclear fusion. Yang tadi Hafiz cakap tu sebenarnya. Okay, the hydrogen crash each other and it will form helium. Ingat tak helium? It will form helium. From the helium itulah baru berhasilnya terjadinya star. The star will shine. Okay, bintang akan bersinar. Okay, then that process yang crash tu we call as a nuclear fusion. Alright, so tadi pun Hafiz ada recap sedikit. So what is the types of the stars, right? Which is supergiant. What is the color of supergiant?
Warna kuning.
Yes, good.
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay, supergiant is yellow. So red giant, nama pun red. So it must be red,
Warna merah.
orange. Okay. Alright, so you know the colors already and the hottest one is a blue, betul? Okay, so the blue is the hottest one. So who can give me the order of the colors from the hottest to the coldest one?
Amin.
Boleh bagi saya order color.
Saya dah mada. Saya dah mada pula.
Not me.
Sorry,
Saya.
Fadil. Any answer, Fadil?
Aku dah jawab.
Tak ada? Hilang dah,
Saya
Fadil.
je. Mula-mula super giant warna kuning. Besar.
Colors. I want colors. I want colors. Don't tell me the names.
kuning.
I nak colors. Okay, the first is
Kuning.
yellow. Then
Lepas tu merah.
merah.
Biru.
Sudah.
Merah. Lepas tu merah. Bagilah orang lain kesian orang lain.
Okay lah. Okay, betul Dato' Hafiz. Saya tergelak sebab tengok main Sarah tu tadi.
Blue.
Blue. Okay.
Blue yang paling pekat sekali tu kepada blue yang paling cair.
Okay.
Lepas tu sun warna kuning.
Sun warna kuning? Sure?
Sun warna orange.
Sun warna orange pula.
Lepas tu white dwarf. Lepas tu
White dwarf.
dua-dua lagi lah.
Okay,
Sun
so
warna putih lah.
warna
Ya.
putih. Yes, sun is white actually. Okay.
Ya.
White yellowish, okay, not orange. Okay, so the common stars yang ada dekat the closest star with us adalah sun lah. Okay, still remember, right? Okay, alright, so thank you to Hafiz because banyak sangat jawab, sampai ada yang jealous why only Hafiz jawab soalan. Okay, sebab you tak nak berebut, Hafiz rebut lah. Okay, rebutlah sikit. Alright, okay, so kita akan proceed. We will proceed with our lesson. Today is about galaxy. Okay, so get prepared with our notes. Okay, write note the day and date for today, and we will proceed with the galaxy. How it's formed. Okay, anybody knows? Ada siapa-siapa tahu macam mana galaksi boleh terhasil? So it's from Big Bang, universe, stars, and then galaxy. Anybody want to explain? Tak ada? Semua dah lupa dah? Semua tak ada cari pun because teacher didn't ask you, is it? Alright, so let's take a look here. So please take notes this one, yeah. Okay, so today we're gonna
Galaxy of each type.
Today we're gonna learn about galaxy and also each types. Okay, dia ada order lah. Okay,
galaxy dengan dia punya nama.
Jenisnya. Jenis. Kita panggil jenis. Alright. So let's
Dia
proceed.
jadi macam astronomer pula.
Yes, biasalah. Okay, so you already write. Okay, please write the day and date for today. Our topic galaxy and its types. Okay. Done, copy. Amma, where is Amma? Teacher tak nampak. Berenang ke dekat belakang tu? Dekat pantai-pantai tu. Wait for teacher. Don't go beach yourself. I also want to go. Senyap je tu. You done copy this one? Okay, if you done, let's proceed. So what is the objective for today? So today's objective adalah I want you to study the formation of the galaxy. You know, okay, saya nak awak understand how the galaxy can be formed. Okay, what is the element inside the galaxy? Baru boleh terjadinya galaxy. And also the second one, understand the types of galaxy. Kamu boleh faham jenis-jenis, berapa jenis galaksi yang ada, yang dah dijumpai di dunia sebenarnya, not dunia, our space. Okay?
Jangan tukar slide lain. Nak tulis.
What? This slide?
Ya.
Belum lagi ni? No.
Yang pakai tadi.
Not yet. Okay. So today objective, you know, you can study about the formations of galaxy and also you will understand the types of galaxy. Not only understand lah, at least you can memorize. Okay. Just simple sahaja, but it's fact. Dia adalah fakta. So you need to memorize. Okay. Kena hafal lah.
Next slide.
Done? Can I proceed to the next slide?
Ya.
Okay. Hafiz not yet.
Done.
Done. Okay. So this is the objective. Teacher nak
Ni
mesti
pun nak kena tulis kerja.
Alright. So let me explain first before you copy. Boleh? I'll give you time to copy. Alright. So what is galaxy actually? So a galaxy is a huge collections of gas, dust, and billions of stars and their solar system all held together by gravity. Okay. So galaxy sebenarnya adalah huge collection. Koleksi yang besar. Koleksi apa? Okay, koleksi of gas, dust. Apa itu dust dalam bahasa Melayu?
Bukan gas tu kabut.
Habuk.
Asap.
Habuk lah.
Bukan habuk Okay, dia adalah collection of gas. Habuk. Alright, and also billions of star. Ingat dia adalah billions of star. Bukan sikit-sikit ya, juta tu. Okay, and their solar system. Inside of star ada lagi solar systemnya and all them held together by gravity. Everything inside the galaxy dia rapat disebabkan oleh gravity punya force. Alright. So this is an example of the gambar lah. So inside the galaxy it got the solar system and inside the solar system have a planet. Alright, so you can copy this one. Okay, so if I ask a question, so how you want to give a definition? If you can memorize all of this, good lah. Okay, so kalau andai kata tak boleh nak hafal, kita ambil sahaja dia punya point lah. Okay, so a galaxy is a collection of gas, dust and billions of stars, and all held together by gravity. This is the ini pun kalau you bagi pun is enough. Okay, you can got full marks actually for definition. Okay, dan ini pun cukup. Even though you tinggalkan dia solar system, it's okay. As long as you have huge collection of gas, ini penting. Gas, dust and also billions of stars. Ni kena ada. Kalau tak ada stars, it will never be a galaxy. So the important things inside the galaxy mesti ada bintang. Kalau tak ada bintang, we didn't call that as a galaxy. Boleh? Okay, and held together by gravity. Ini dia punya short lah. Okay, short answer. Okay. Okay, done?
Belum.
Oh, yeah. Haikal, done? Ama? Oh, my Sarah done. Fadil also done. Good. Okay, Haris. Haras done?
Yes.
Okay. Munir done? Okay, so it's very important for you to understand, okay, what is galaxy. That's why we learn first is Big Bang, then universe, then baru stars. After stars, baru kita belajar mengenai galaxy. Okay, because it got dia punya stage lah. Okay, kalau tak jadi stars, it will never become a galaxy. Okay, so kita kena tahu the stage. We need to draw it, it's up to you, tak perlu pun, no need. Okay. This one no need, ada yang satu part tu yang you kena lukis, nanti saya bagi tahu. Alright, done everybody?
Kena lukis je.
Yes. Bukan yang ini, not this one.
Dah kajak je kalau lukis.
This one is example saja. Alright, so if you done, let's proceed, okay? Alright, so you can understand this one, right? Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. So, this is also a point for galaxy. So, all galaxies are made up of these same thing. What is the same things? Apa benda yang sama dalam galaksi? Tak kisahlah apa nama galaxies tu pun, okay, is still made up of these same things. So, can you tell me what is the things? Anybody? From the definition. You rasa apa agaknya this thing?
Billions of star, gas and dust.
Very good. That three things. Benda tu, tiga-tiga tu mesti ada. Tak kisahlah what kinds of galaxies pun yang kita akan belajar sekejap lagi. The main ingredient, macam makanan, recipe pula. Okay, the main bendanya. Sorry, any question? You can continue copy this one. So maksudnya semua galaksi mesti terdiri daripada tiga benda. Dust, stars and also apa satu lagi tadi? Gas. Okay. Okay. And however, they come in many different shapes and size. Okay. Walaupun they make up of the same thing, but they are different with the shape and also size. So ada galaksi yang berbeza-beza bentuk dan juga saiz-nya. Ini yang kamu perlu tahu. Okay. Kalau star dia hanyalah large ball, betul? Tak ada pun dia bentuk segi 3 ke segi 4 ke. Okay, tapi galaxy it will make a different shape. Dia ada beberapa shape. Ini yang kita nak discover. Okay, get ready. Wear your astronaut suit. We're gonna go to the space, galaxy. Nanti sesak nafas, tak pakai suit. Done copy? This one? Okay.
Sekejap.
Sofia, Nur Sofia, are you okay? Senyap je tu. Sofia, are you okay?
Yes, teacher.
You done copy?
Yes.
Oh.
Oleh.
So all related question about galaxies, kalau dia tanya what is the same thing, so the things is that three things.
Galaxies.
Okay. But it's different in shapes and also size. Itulah. Okay, kalau stars dia ada berbeza size, but shape dia sama. Okay. Tapi
Teacher, three things
Of this.
yang galaxy are made of the same things tu apa?
ni the same things ni. Gas,
Hmm.
dust and also billions of stars. So that three things.
Okay. Thank you, teacher.
Okay? Tengok tu punya slide ni, dah ada meteor dah, belum belajar lagi. We got the meteor over here. Alright, so done. Can I proceed? Alright, so this is types of galaxies. Okay, ini kena ingat because it's facts. Okay, there are 4 main types of galaxy. Ada banyak sebenarnya types of galaxies, but saya ambil the main. Okay, yang kita boleh nampak banyak dekat dekat kita punya space. Which is the first one is spiral, elliptical, irregular and also lenticular. Okay, so you can copy this one, this form. Okay, nanti kita tengok one by one. Spiral macam mana, elliptical macam mana, irregular and also lenticular.
Teacher ni apa benda ni, teacher?
Ini types dia, types of galaxies.
Oh, dia punya jenis.
Jenis-jenis galaxies. Nama dia lah. Okay.
Teacher buka slide yang belakang tu, teacher.
Sorry, apa dia? Hafiz?
Slide yang awal tadi tu.
Slide mana?
Teacher ke belakang sikit.
Your friend tengah copy this one lah. You tak siap lagi ke? Ni, this one.
How is it?
Memorize what? Orang dah proceed dah the fourth. Spiral, elliptical, irregular and also lenticular.
Mana tadi?
This one.
Difference.
Okay, Hafiz, done?
Shape and size. Dah, okay. Different. Gitu.
Yes. Kenapa? Ada nak tanya? Ni huruf T ya?
Jalan kecil.
Tengah pelik pula. Cakap C ke? No, this is T ya. Okay. So ada 4 main types of galaxies inside our space, which is spiral, elliptical, macam bentuk sabit. Tak apa, lagi I will show you. It's okay.
Bentuk sabit. Irregular.
Tahu tak sabit?
Tahu. Kat rumah saya ada sabit.
If I pronounce it wrong, correct me, okay? Please correcting me kalau anda kata saya salah pronounce. Okay, done. Alright. So let's see. Belum lagi. So let's see how the spiral is and what is the important things that you must know inside about all these galaxies. Okay, jenis-jenis dia. Done, Nur? Can I proceed?
Dah.
Alright, so this is spiral lah. Ini you kena lukis. Okay, so spiral galaxy you must draw beside here, spiral macam ni, and baru you copy the point. Okay, so let me explain a little bit. Okay, spiral is look like a giant pinwheels. Pernah tengok pinwheels? Yang boleh tiup dengan angin tu kan? You kalau selalu pergi kedai kan ada kan? Boleh tiup dengan angin tu. It looks like this lah, pinwheel. Okay, the arms of the pinwheel are made up of stars and also lots of gas and dust. Ni dia punya, ini dia kita panggil arm. Okay, this is the arm. This arm is made of stars, gas and also dust. Okay, here. Right. Then the third one, spiral galaxy are often
Teacher, yang ni
some.
aku tulis ke je?
Yes, of course. Listen first. Nanti you copy, okay? Spiral galaxy are often some of the brightest in the universe because lots of new stars form here. Okay, the third point here. Spiral galaxies ni lah yang biasanya kita nampak paling brightest sekali. Paling cerah sekali dekat universe because lots of new stars form. Dekat sinilah berlakunya banyak penghasilan bintang-bintang baharu. Okay, that's why dia paling brightest. Okay, an example of the spiral galaxy is our Milky Way. Kita duduk dekat Milky Way, is it? Alright, so Milky Way punya galaxies adalah berbentuk spiral, like a pinwheel. Okay, so you can copy this one and please draw so that you know spiral macam mana. Okay. So kalau kita boleh guna Hubble punya teleskop, okay, so we can see, okay, these types of galaxies sebab dia banyak, okay, sangat merata-rata. Spiral antara the lots of galaxies that easily can be found dekat space sebenarnya. Okay. So nak kenal dia, spiral, nama pun spiral. So dia berbentuk macam spiral ni lah. Bentuk macam pinwheel. Okay, tangan-tangan dia terdapat banyak ni tangan kita panggil. Dia arms ni terdiri daripada lots of stars, new stars. Okay, lots of stars, gas and also dust. Okay, and brightest because of new stars terhasil di sini. And Milky Way is an example for spiral galaxy, spiral shape. Easy, right? Hafiz, tak faham ke tu? Any question you want to ask?
Teacher, tapi kenapa tak nampak macam bentuk sabit pun?
Tak nampak
Macam bentuk Beyblade je pun ada lah.
Oh, bukan spiral, bukan sabit.
Oh, yang
Elliptical
tu
tadi
apa?
nanti.
Elliptical.
Elliptical nanti macam bentuk sabit. Correct.
Ui, banyak betul lah tinggalin dari ni ya.
Biasalah, it's a fact, right? Sikit je tu, 4 teacher dah pendek kan. Ketilah is about 10 the point.
Like giant thing.
Okay, so what you must know about spiral, looks like giant pinwheel. Okay, their arms made up of stars. So yang tadi itulah things yang saya cakap tadi tu kan. Okay, stars, gas and also dust. Okay, ni penting. The point is, I only know irregular. How do you know? Nur Sofia, pernah belajar ke sebelum ni? Did you learn about this?
Mana pernah je. Siapa?
Mana ada.
That means baguslah you make advanced start.
Dia dah jadi, yang ni bukan Adi Putra, yang ni Kaisha Putra.
Spiral ni antara terfamous lah disebabkan oleh kita duduk dekat Milky Way. Dalam galaksi Milky Way. Okay. So Milky Way you must know, okay. Okay, our galaxy is Milky Way and we are inside the Milky Way. And Milky Way is a spiral, okay. Done? Can we proceed?
Hello.
Okay. It's okay. Dah. Okay, dah dah. Sophia, you didn't answer my question. How do you know about irregular? Let's share with your friend. Sophia? Lupa? Sudah. Tadi kata tahu, lupa pula. Baca dekat mana? Haras maybe?
Yes.
Any shape that you know other than spiral?
No.
Pernah dengar?
No.
No. So, from a book. Okay. Okay, so get this knowledge now. Kan? Betul tak? Okay, done? Can I proceed? Oh, okay, Sophia. Okay, so this is spiral. So let me proceed. Dah lukis bentuk dia macam ni Okay, so let's proceed to the second one, which is elliptical. Okay, so elliptical galaxy dia bentuk macam ni. Dia bentuk bulatan. Okay, macam bentuk bulan sabit, tapi actually not full bulan sabit lah, bukan bulan sabit macam tu lah, tak. Okay, dia bentuk berbulat macam ni, you ikut macam ni So it shape like stretch out circle or ellipse. Okay, dia stretch out circle, dia bentuk circle tapi dia stretch out, menegang, membesar. Okay, memanjang. Alright, so elliptical galaxies contain.
Ada yang tak siap lagi buat.
Ada lagi yang tak siap, tadi tak ada pun bagi tahu. Saya baru nak excited nak terang. This one, not yet. Oval. Oh, my belum. Okay, quick my, done. Okay, so tadi kita masuk irregular. Okay, dia berbentuk circle tapi dia stretch out. Okay, dia macam memanjang lah. Okay, done my. Haris, done. Damia done. Khaira done.
Dan
Sarah je lah yang belum ni. Okay, quick man. Tadi apa termenung tengok spiral ni ke apa? Cantik sangat kan spiral. That's why. Tu, dekat Haris tu lagi menarik. Andromeda dia, tak habis-habis lagi Andromeda dia. It's not Andromeda, it's what what we call that? Saya lupa dah nama dia.
Plastician apa
Aurora,
tak?
yes, Aurora. Oh, salah sebut pula. Andromeda is one of the galaxies. Name of galaxy. Okay, done? Mine? Okay, so let's proceed to this one. Okay, so it shape, tadi saya dah bagi tahu. A second one, elliptical galaxies contain mostly all the stars. Ni you perlu tahu. Dekat ellipse galaxy lah paling banyak bintang-bintang yang sudah tua, yang dah nak cepat mati. Okay, they often aren't as bright as spiral galaxies. Okay, dia tidak secerah, bersinar seperti spiral galaxy disebabkan dia ada older stars. Banyak kat situ star-star yang dah tua. And the largest and most common galaxies observed. Okay, ini yang paling banyak dan paling common galaxies yang mudah dicerah, mudah diperhatikan oleh saintis-saintis. Okay, sebab mungkin dia dah tua kot, dia jadi dia banyak, merata-rata. Okay, so this is elliptical galaxy. So you draw bentuk bulatan macam ni tapi it stretch macam bentuk oval. Dia stretch, dia circle tapi dia stretch. So it will become oval lah. Okay.
ellipses tu ke?
Yes. Correct. Okay, so what you must know here, does galaxies move? Wow, very good question. Adakah galaksi bergerak? Can anybody tell me? Maybe you know? Let's share with me. Can anybody find? Can galaxy move? Dia ada kaki tak? Ada kaki lah. Yes? Why? Dia berpusing-pusing ke, Sofia? Can anybody share? Sofia kata yes. Where do you know? Where do you got this information, Sofia? It's move or not? Good explanation, Hari. Okay, so kita akan discuss sekejap lagi. Okay, so what is a point that you must know is shape dia, okay, stretch out circle, contain most all the stars, not bright as spiral galaxies, okay, and the largest and the most common galaxies observed. Ini the point yang penting-penting bagi setiap point yang panjang tu. stretch out circles. Mostly all the stars inside elliptical galaxies. Not, kat sini kita boleh tukar jadi not. Not bright as, okay, not bright as spiral galaxies, and largest, paling besar and the most common galaxies observed. Okay, paling besar yang kita boleh nampak adalah ellipse lah. Any question? Lagi? Oh, you ask your mom.
Dah.
Done. Okay. Everybody done? Not yet. Okay, good. Tadi Haris ada kongsi, okay? Because time dalam tu kan bergerak, betul tak? Okay. And we also learn kan, universe is still expanding, betul tak? Okay. Dia akan sentiasa expand. So maksudnya kat situ pun ada berlaku pergerakan jugalah. So, right, it's move. Okay. Dia bergerak. Alright. So, let's proceed to the third one. Okay, boleh? Hafiz dan? Hafiz dan? Okay, Haras dan? Haras dan? Are you done, Haras?
Done.
Okay, alright. So, let's proceed to the next one. Irregular. Apa yang kita panggil sebagai irregular? Dalam bahasa Melayu pun dah tahu dah. Okay, irregular maksudnya tidak tetap. Okay, irregular galaxy means dia tak ada nampak bentuk shape langsung. Okay, nak kata bulat pun tidak, nak kata segi empat pun tidak. Okay, dia tak ada specific shape. So we call as irregular. You belajar kan irregular ni kan? Tahu kan perkataan irregular? Dia tidak tetap. Oh, tak tahu.
Macam mana nak lukis yang tu?
Macam mana? Asalkan dia tidak berbentuk, tak ada bentuk, is okay. Saya boleh terima.
Lukis blok.
Blok. Blok ada segi empat kan? Betul tak? Irregular, macam ni lah irregular. Kejap ke atas, kejap kat bawah, kejap tinggi. Okay, so we call as irregular. Okay, irregular. Sorry. Okay, so don't have a single common shape. Ini yang saya cakap tadi, dia tak ada shape yang tetap. Okay, sekejap kan boleh jadi bulat, sekejap kan boleh jadi macam ni. Okay, sebab dia tidak tetap bentuknya. Okay, yang kedua, among the smallest galaxies, antara galaxies yang terpaling kecil sekali. So this is irregular galaxy. They can also be very bright. Sometimes dia boleh bright, sometimes tidak. Okay, and 20% of all galaxies are irregular galaxies. Okay, so 20% galaxies yang ada dekat dunia, dekat space ni adalah irregular galaxies. Banyak tak you rasa 20% tu? What do you think? Is it a lot, Hafiz? Kalau 20% je galaksi ni? No, right? So ada 80% lagi, betul tak? Okay, it's just a part of sikit sahaja irregular galaxy. Okay, dan dia sangat kecil. Okay, tadi saya dah bagi tahu the biggest one, the largest one is which galaxy? Kalau smallest is irregular. Kalau largest one, the biggest one, which galaxy? Sorry?
Elliptical.
Okay, good. Okay, so, tolong ingat sikit lah. Okay. So bentuk dia tak tetap. You can draw macam mana pun is okay. Okay, as long as dia tak ada shape lah. Okay, dia berbentuk pula. Nama pun irregular. Munir, are you done? No, not yet. Okay. It should be kalau anda kata kita ada, we have a physical class, maybe we can go to the planetarium, okay? So dekat situ kita boleh tengok, okay? You dah pernah pergi planetarium ke? School trip?
Pernah.
School trips ke?
Pernah.
Yeah. Okay, maybe.
Also, Ali was that tanya. Yang kita pergi waktu kita darjah 2 ke apa? Dah belum.
Apa benda tu?
Saya belum ada lagi kot masa awak darjah 2.
Ayolah.
Saya start aja baru darjah 3 kan.
How could you, Sofia?
Dia tak ada lagi lah masa tu.
Saya tak ada lagi time tu. Okay, maybe lah kalau andai kata kita dulu tu masa tu awak kecil kan, it's not related to our lesson, betul tak? Kan sekarang kita dah
pergi tu yang
kita learn
stars.
kalau kita dah belajar sekarang baru kita boleh relate, betul tak? Untuk pergi tengok balik semula. Then baru you know, oh this one is the galaxy, oh this one is star, oh this one yang teacher Wana cakap super giant. Lepas tu baru kita ingat, betul tak? So it should be ada trip lah. Kalau ada kata ni, it should be ada trip untuk kita pergi sana. Right. So done?
Kan?
Okay, so let me proceed to the last type. Okay, dia banyak sebenarnya type saya, tapi ini the main type lah. Okay, one is lenticular. Bentuk dia sama juga macam ellipse, okay, tetapi dia kita refer as armless spiral. Okay, dia macam spiral, dia berbentuk spiral tapi dia tak ada tangan. Okay, armless spiral since only have disc. Dia ada disc tengah ni je. Okay, saya tekan sini semula. Dia ada tengah ni sahaja, tapi tangan ni dia tak ada. That's why we call as lenticular. Tengah-tengah ni kita panggil disc. Ini kita panggil arm. Okay, so lenticular hanya ada disc sahaja. Arm dia tak ada. Itu
lenticular tu macam kita punya kan?
Macam kita punya apa tu?
Galaxy.
Pernah tengok disc CD tak?
Tak.
CD punya disc, tak pernah tengok?
Oh, CD punya disc pernah.
DVD punya disc tu macam tu, cekera tu. Bayangkan cekera tu kalau ada tangan, it become spiral. Kalau ada kata tak ada tangan, tinggallah disc tu tengah tu saja. So that's why we call as lenticular. Okay? Alright, so two will have either used up or lost most of its interstellar matter, dust and gas, which will reduce or prevent the formation of the stars. Okay? Are very old. Okay, lenticular ni juga dikenali sebagai agak tua. Okay, galaksi yang agak tua disebabkan dia dah use up, dia dah guna sampai habis dah, ataupun dia dah kehilangan most of dust and also gas. Okay, ingat kan galaksi is formed from dust, gas and also stars. Okay, tapi lenticular ni adalah galaksi yang dah tua, di mana dia dah guna ataupun dia dah habis dah semua dia punya dust and also gas. So it's prevent from the formation of the star. Jadi dekat galaksi tu dia dah tak buat star-star baru. Okay, hanya ada star-star yang dah tua sahaja. Jadi it's not very bright lah. Okay, Hafiz copy. Don't copy in my note.
Dan
Sure. Okay. So, ingat kalau lenticular, apa yang penting yang kamu perlu tahu adalah Hafiz, what is the important note dekat sini? Okay. You must know armless spiral. Okay. Only have this. Ini. Point dia. Is already used up or lost most of the dust and gas, and it's prevent the formation of the stars. Okay, disebabkan dia dah kurang dust and also gas, so it cannot process the new stars. Okay, dekat situ it cannot use. Okay, dah tak boleh jadi galaxy and it's very old. Okay, right? So can you understand? I think I picked the very simple point for you so that easy for you to understand. Okay? Ada yang tak faham? Haras, are you raise your hand? No.
No.
Any question you want to ask?
Saya
Terror lah dah tu. Okay. Laju je Hafiz no-nya. Mesti tanya soalan. Of course. Every topic mesti tanya soalan. To know you understand or not. Kali ni I tak bagi you buka buku. Okay? You must use all your what you have learned just now. Okay. Alright, so done? Done copy this one? Alright, so if you done, so let's recap a little bit. Okay, sedikit-sedikit dekat sini. So what you must know, galaxy is collection of gas, dust and also stars. Macam mana dia boleh terkumpul? Disebabkan oleh gravity. Understand? Don't tell me it's because of kinetic. Okay, you belajar kinetic lah. Kinetic energy, thermal energy. Okay, alright. So Hafiz. Alright. Okay, itu yang you perlu tahu dekat point yang ini. Okay, next. They made up of the same thing tapi different with shapes and also sizes. Okay, dia berbeza bentuk dan sizes. Okay. Can you tell me, Haris, give me one of the types of galaxies that we already learned. Jangan tengok buku, semua tutup buku. Let me ask you.
Spiral.
Okay, spiral from Haris. Fadil, give me one.
Irregular.
Irregular. Okay, Munir. Third.
Spiral.
Ellipticular.
Okay. Elliptical. Okay, good. Last one. Sophia.
Spiral.
Spiral done already. Sophia Humaira. Give me one. Lenticular. Hafiz lah tu jawab tu. Is it correct? Okay. Alright. So, which galaxy that we call as a armless spiral? Anybody?
Me.
Okay, Fadil.
Lenticular.
Wah, kira salah
Good.
Kak Karmai Kak, Mak.
Okay. Good. Lenticular. Also known as armless spiral. Okay, second question. Which one is the oldest galaxy? Yang mana satu paling tua?
Lenticular.
Sorry, siapa yang jawab tu?
Haras.
Oh, okay, good, Haras. Lenticular is a oldest galaxies. Okay. Alright. Which galaxy that only have this? Only. Dia hanya ada this sahaja. Which galaxy? Okay, Maisara?
Lenticular.
Very good. Okay. So, good lah dekat situ. Alright, so this is for, hopefully you boleh understand. Okay, so di mana kita semua. Alright, so let's start answer the question by using quizzes. I will show you, I will give you the link. Kenapa semua lenticular? Kenapa semua lenticular? Sebab itu je yang teacher ingat. No lah. Okay, alright, so this is your quiz. Hopefully you didn't refer to any notes. Try to do by your own. We already recap everything. Sekejap ya. Okay, so okay, so let's continue.
Macam mana teacher? Tak ada pun.
Sabar, belum lagi. Setengah buka.
Sabar
Okay,
lah.
this is the link.
Ibu
Everybody.
official.
Okay, please join it now. So we have 15 participants, 14 participants. I still waiting for you. baru ada seorang. Seorang je ke baru masuk tu? Yang lain dah masuk ke? Kenapa teacher dapat Haris seorang saja?
Dah.
Oh, sekejap. Maybe teacher punya line tak okey kot. Teacher ni kejap. Refresh. Oh, okay. 11. Another 3. 11 student. Another 3. Quick, quick, quick. Siapa lagi yang tak ada? Hafiz tak masuk lagi. Oh, Hafiz ada dah. Munir. Munir ada. Baru 11. Siapa lagi yang tak masuk tu? Oh, Sofia Humaira. Not yet. Sofia. Dah masuk ke belum tu? Kenapa teacher punya macam tak okey? Only 11, mana yang lain? 4 more person. Khaira. Ke teacher yang tak update lagi ni. Wait class. Okay. Yang lambat tu terus masuk saja sekejap lagi. Saya terus start, okay? Boleh? Still 11. Alright, so you may start now. Wow. Hafiz tak jawab lagi ke? Kenapa nama Hafiz tak ada? Sofia tak masuk ke Sofia? Sofia Humaira. Oh, Fadil is leading right now. Haris semakin hampir mengejar Fadil. Oh, siapa yang strike ni? Oh, Haris. Fadil, dah stop dah ke tu? Oh, Mirakasha leading now. Amira berapa salah? 1. 2. Okay. Okay, Fadil dah siap. Kenapa Fadil punya tak update? Sekejap Macam ada line internet problem kot sikit. Wah. Wah.
Je.
Yes. Kenapa?
Saya 9 betul, 1 salah.
9 betul, 1 salah. Okay. Good. Alright, so everybody done?
Amma.
Oh, tu dia. Let me see. Let me share. Okay, so the first one is line teacher problem lah.
Show it the first one je.
First one is let me show you lah. Okay. Dia tengok lah. Okay, first person is Hafiz. Nombor 1 je salah. Kinetic. Okay, Kesha is number 2. Also same with Fadil. Oh, also share marks with Harith. Munir is the third one. Sofia also third. Haras, Damia, Foy, Ain, Fatihah, Maisara, fifth, Khaira, Sid. Okay, it's okay as long as you dapat 5 above. So that means you okay lah. Itu tengok buku ke tidak? You do by your own?
Tak tengok je.
Good. Okay, kalau you practice macam tu tiap masa, it's okay. Boleh dah. Okay. Okay, very good. Let's review the question. Kita review question sikit. So what force causes a galaxy to form? Ini tadi baru teacher bincang, betul tak? Okay. Kan teacher cakap tadi jangan jawab kinetik pula. You cakap kinetik saya tahu teacher. Itulah dia. Awak pula yang jawab. Okay, kinetic means bergerak, betul tak? Okay. Okay. Galaksi tak boleh disebabkan kinetik. Ada pula jawab nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion tu apa? What is nuclear fusion?
Nuclear fusion tu star.
Nuclear fusion is for star. Okay. Okay, and thermal ada juga jawab. Heat punya pula. Thermal learn dan betul tak? You learn about thermal kan? Thermal is about heat. Okay, nasib baik tak ada orang jawab. Alright, nasib baiklah 5 yang betul. Alright. Okay, so let's proceed to the next question. What types of galaxy is the Milky Way? Alah,
Saya
easy.
spiral.
Siapa pula jawab irregular ni? Wah, teacher baru bagi tahu tadi, betul? Milky Way at the spiral spiral galaxy. It's okay, maybe dia salah tekan lah tu.
Betul, 1 salah.
Alright, so at least 10 orang alhamdulillah tahu juga. Alright, so saya jawab spiral lah. Nasib baik jawab spiral Fadil. Okay, third, galaxy is a huge collection of gas and billions of stars. Ya Allah, senangnya. Teacher ikut aturan je ni. Okay. Ada yang jawab lain daripada tu? Alhamdulillah. Siapa jawab asteroid tu memang kena dengan teacher. Tak pun meteor. Tak ada istijajah. Okay. Alhamdulillah semua jawab dan. Okay, nasib baik. Okay. Right, so take a look at the fourth question. What is the shape of most galaxies?
Saya spiral.
Spiral. Kita cakap tadi. Spiral. Lenticular is a oldest, betul? Yang most observed is irregular. Sorry, elliptical. Elliptical is most observed and the biggest. Tapi paling banyak galaxies adalah pada spiral. Okay. So it's little bit confusing a little bit lah. Okay. Sebab dia tanya shape yang paling banyak. Okay. Dekat galaksi. Spiral lah paling banyak. Okay. So let's take a look at the number 4. Also referred to aimless spiral. Ya Allah, senangnya tadi teacher baru tanya. Betul? Ada yang jawab elliptical. Ada yang jawab spiral. Alah, ya Allah, nama pun aimless spiral. Macam mana you boleh jawab spiral ni dekat sini? Okay, it should be lenticular ya. Sebab dia hanya ada disc. Dia tak ada arm, dia tak ada tangan. Kalau ada tangan tu spiral. Right. So anybody nak mengaku saya salah jawab teacher? Tak ada. Tak ada yang nak jawab. Teacher malas nak buka, boleh je buka dekat sini kan? It's okay. Okay, so please remember betul-betul. Armless yang tak ada tangan spiral hanyalah lenticular. Okay, lenticular yang ada disc. Alright. So what shape is common for all those galaxies? Okay. lenticular elliptical. Okay, dekat sini tadi ada teacher cakap betul tak? Okay, it's about lenticular is the oldest kan? Betul tak? Okay. Okay, actually lebih banyaknya adalah elliptical sebenarnya. Okay. No, I think sebenarnya yang betul adalah lenticular. Okay, okay, untuk this one, I accept both of this. Okay. Okay, sepatutnya lenticular sepatutnya. Alright. Okay, tak apalah yang tiga ni. It's okay lah, saya follow you, okay. Saya benarkan lenticular and elliptical disebabkan dia hanya menggunakan perkataan old sahaja. Okay, so but kita fix sekarang the most older galaxies adalah lenticular ya. Okay, so betulkan dekat sini. Alright. So let's take a look here. Our galaxy is called the, alah senangnya lah. Okay, siapa jawab Andromeda, Earth Nebula, Hubble Galaxy, teacher tak pernah ajar lagi. Okay. Okay, so Milky Way. See here, place this object in order from smallest to largest. Ini kebat sikit. Oh, alhamdulillah, betul 7 orang. Okay. Planet planet paling kecil size-nya. Solar system is the second, galaxy ketiga terbesar, universe is the biggest one lah. Okay. Kalau anda kata ada Big Bang yang lagi ke belakang. Okay, betul. Big Bang, universe, galaxy, solar system, planet. So kita dah pergi masuk galaxy. Nanti we gonna proceed to learn about solar system and also planet after this. Alright. What are 3 types of galaxies? Teacher nak 3 types saja. Even though we learn 4, but I only want 3 only. Seorang je salah. Okay. Apa ni? Milky Way. Milky Way is not the galaxy ya. It's one of the galaxies inside the galaxy spiral yang kita belajar. Okay. Ni sedikit confused. Okay. Milky Way adalah nama untuk galaksi. Okay. And the last question, is the sun at the center of our galaxy? Oh, ramai jawab yes. Oh, ni teacher saja uji. Ya ke sun duduk dekat galaksi kita tengah-tengah? Galaksi kita besar ya. Milky Way is so big. Inside the Milky Way has a lots of solar system. Dekat solar system baru ada sun. Okay, so sun is not a center of our galaxy. Sebab dalam galaksi ada banyak lagi solar system yang lain. Okay. Salah satunya adalah sun lah. So understand ya, boleh faham ya kenapa bukan sun yang menjadi center of the galaxy. Ramai betul yang jawab yes tu kat sini. Okay. So betulkan sekarang. Okay. Sebab dalam galaksi ada banyak lagi solar system. Dan salah satu solar systemnya adalah kita dekat dalam tu, sun ya. Alright. So that's all. Okay. So any question? Saya rasa kat sini okay lah. After all, saya rasa saya puas hati walaupun saya buat quiz banyak kali kan. Okay, setiap kali lepas quiz, lepas habis belajar, kebanyakan kamu dapat jawab dengan baik actually. Oh, I feel so happy actually. You can understand. Alright, so any question before we end our class? Any question? Okay, so I have task for you. Sebenarnya for next week class. So listen carefully. What I want, each of you, tak kisahlah you guna Canva, PowerPoint or anything app that you want or you want to draw. Okay, saya nak you state all the planet that you have learned. Awak kena cari pada saya semua planet yang awak dah belajar, and additional point for you kalau you boleh beri saya gambarnya. Faham? Okay, saya nak planet sahaja. If you can find the best picture of that planet, lebih bagus. Be creative untuk sort all the planet according to the size. Okay, according to the size, according to the solar system tu itself. Okay, ada yang tak faham?
Tidak faham.
Dwarf planet tak masuk lah sayang. You belajar kan planet, betul tak? Okay, ada berapa planet? Jadi saya nak 8, awak belajar 8 planet, betul? Okay, saya nak awak cari ke 8 planet, labelkan namanya, cari gambarnya yang terbaik. Okay, so gunalah apa-apa jenis apps pun, okay, untuk tunjuk pada saya minggu hadapan. Boleh guna PowerPoint, boleh Canva, boleh Atau apps lain yang you rasa you reti pun boleh. Ya, Earth tu semua betul. Itu planet Okay, boleh. So, there is your task. Okay, so see you next week. So, kita akhiri. Any question? Tak ada? Saya nak planet je. Sun is a planet? Is the sun is a planet? No. Alright, so that's all. Alright, so we end our class with tasbih kifarah and surah wal-an. Sorry, I ambil masa lebih sikit. Okay, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Dengan salah fiyus illa allazina amanu wa amilus salihat wa tawassaw bil haqq wa tawassaw bis sabr. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Okay, thank you class.